Looking for the best anti-snoring chin straps? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 anti-snoring chin straps on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Best in Rest Premium Chin Strap. Lightweight design cradles the jaw. Easy to adjust straps allow for a custom fit. Brace is easy care since it's machine washable and line dry. Has a stay-put design. This contoured chin strap has a minimalist design that is considered more comfortable to some wearers. Some users report the strap is somewhat uncomfortable and shifts at night. At number 2. Cleviss Brace Anti-Snoring Chin Strap. Neoprene construction means no sweat, odor or itching. Wider chin strap helps secure brace. Upper Velcro strap is easy to adjust across the top of the head. One of the more affordable options, plus it's made from soft neoprene that cradles the jaw better than some other straps. Soft construction. Has a buckle at the top of the brace that may dig into skin. At number 1. Quiet Panda Anti-Snoring Chin Strap. One size fits all, with numerous hook and loop closure adjustments. Easy to put on and adjust. Few reports of uncomfortable heat retention. Double strapping reduces overnight slippage. Many satisfied customers switch to the Quiet Panda after trying other anti-snoring masks first. Double strapping improves the fit significantly. Needs to air out before first use. Straps can leave marks on skin. Size runs a bit small. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.